Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to add highlights to your Instagram post. Let's get started. Now we're going to do is open your Instagram. Now this is it, and the next thing you're going to do is click on this profile picture here. Now you click on this plus menu button. Now click on post. Now you're gonna choose, is it a picture, is it a story, is a picture or video you wanted to use. So you can check it there. Sorry guys, let me click on story. I need to use a picture. Now I'm gonna use this picture. Now you can see. Now after that, click on next. Now click on your share on your story and click on done. Now our story is being done. Let's wait for it to complete. Click on it. Now we're gonna see when it's complete. Now this is it. I think the story is done. So this is it. What you're going to do is you can see highlight here. Click on highlight. And now click on new. Do you want to add a highlight? I'm going to click on new highlight, and I'm going to name your highlight what you want to be seeing. I want people to feel. Just click on it, and you can see this is it. I have created a new highlight. Now so once you click on it, you can see, do you want to edit highlight? You want to copy the link, or you want to share the highlight? If you want to edit, you click on edit. If you want to delete, you click on delete. Or you want to copy link, and click on copy link. It's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and like. Thank you.